In this video, I'll show you how to create a vintage film look inside Davinci Resolve. Start by selecting your clip in the timeline, then open the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Stop Motion and drag the effect onto your clip. This effect helps recreate that slightly choppy, nostalgic frame cadence you often see in old home videos. Next, open the inspector. Under the stop motion settings, find the frame repeat control and set it to 2. This doubles each frame, creating that subtle, stuttered motion you're looking for. Now, with your clip still selected, switch over to the color page. In the effects panel on the right, search for Film Look Creator. Drag and drop it onto a new node in your node tree. Once it's applied, go to the settings in the Open Effects panel and choose the preset called Nostalgic. This instantly gives your footage that warm, old film tone. Scroll down and disable the split tone option to keep the colors more natural. Then increase the flicker rate slightly to simulate the random exposure shifts of analog film. Finally, fine-tune your look by adjusting the exposure and saturation controls. And that's it! A simple way to give your footage that nostalgic, home movie vibe right inside Davinci Resolve.